In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow participants to join a Zoom meeting before the host. This feature can be really useful if you want to let people connect early for some pre-meeting chit-chat or to get settled in before the main event kicks off. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to enable this feature on Zoom. First, you'll want to navigate to Zoom's website and sign into your account. Once you've logged in, the first step is to head over to the top right corner of the page where you'll see My Account. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you into your account settings where you can find everything you need to adjust your Zoom experience according to your personal or professional requirements. Now, once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the Settings section. It should be located either in a menu on the side or as one of the tabs across the top. Click on it. This area is where you can configure various settings, including those related to meetings, audio, and video. Next, within the settings menu, you'll want to look for an option labeled Meeting. Clicking on Meeting will lead you to a more focused set of settings specifically designed for customizing how you and your participants can interact during Zoom sessions. Once you're in the meeting settings page, find the link or tab that says Schedule Meeting. Selecting this will let you adjust options pertaining to how you organize and plan your Zoom meetings. Here, you're poised to make the critical changes that will accommodate early arrivals to your sessions. In the Schedule Meeting section, scroll through the various options until you find the setting labeled Allow Participants to Join Before the Host. This option is pretty self-explanatory. Enabling it will allow meeting participants to enter the Zoom room before you, the host, have joined. This can be particularly helpful for those meetings where the early birds want to catch up or prepare before the meeting formally commences. The final step is easy but essential. You'll see a toggle switch next to Allow Participants to Join Before the Host. Simply click this toggle to turn it on. Once it illuminates or changes color, it indicates that the feature is successfully activated. Remember to save your settings if prompted, just to ensure everything is locked in. And there you have it. With these settings now adjusted, your Zoom meetings will be more flexible, granting participants the ability to join a bit early. Whether it's for a casual chat or to iron out some final details before the official meeting begins, having this feature enabled can make your Zoom experience that much smoother.